Hi, it's Bob here, and I'm going to run you through how to get started with this program. So on the email I sent you, there are 7 links. Okay, you must sign up under all 7. So I've chosen this one here. This is the second one on my list. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. Obviously, just go to sign up, and you enter your name and your email, and you choose a password and sign up. Okay, that's all you got to do. Now I'm already signed up, so I'm going to go to my account. Okay, now I signed up today on the 27th, and this morning, earlier today, I did all my posting, and I already made $230 on this one site, and there's 7 sites. So on my first day I made $1,452.77. So all you do, you go to trading, and then you come down here and you choose the first one, and it's in black and it says actively. You click on that and it takes you down to here. So it starts at $1. You scroll down to the $5. Now when you get up, if you choose to get referrals, when you get up to 10 referrals, then you can this will show $10 each trade, and then at 30 referrals it will show up to $15 per trade. So all you do is hit continue, wait for the red bar to finish, you hit continue and complete. That's all there is to it. You go to the next one and repeat. Scroll down to $5. If you happen to forget to scroll down to the $5 and you trade at $1, don't worry about it. You can't do anything about it. So we'll finish this one. Okay, so you go down and there's about 10 of them. So when those are all done, now when you're doing that, up here you'll see available balance. When you start out, you'll have $100. So that will start coming down. At some point you'll get to where you won't have $5 left. It may show $4 or $1. Just use your $1, use up all your money. Then you go to the next step is go to binary options, and you repeat the exact same process. $5, continue, and you keep going until you use up all your money. Now, a couple other things. Go to referrals. This is where you get your referral link, right there. Now, you will have 7 referral links. You need 1 referral link for each site, so don't forget that. That's very important. The other thing is, under settings, is your payment settings. Choose how you want to be paid. You can be paid by Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, OKPay, all these other Payza. Don't use Payza; they're out of business now. On the 25th, you can request your payment, and I understand they pay by the 1st of the following month. So you can only request to be paid once a month. There's your support, and that's about it. This program is real simple. My sponsor is going to be paid, should be paid on the 1st, which is 4 or 5 days from now. And I will be posting results from that. So if you have any questions, get back to me or to the person that sent you this. Okay, thank you and have a good day.